What up, 50 gang? My last video I did some unboxing. Bought some motocross tires, some oil, tubes, spark plugs. I'm planning to do some dirt rides with my daughter and my wife. So I bought 250 10 for the front, 275 10 for the rear. Check these out. Michelin Starcross 5s. Really nice tire. Very aggressive. What I need to teach my daughter to ride. These are the bikes that are getting put on. My bike and my daughter's and wife's bike. But before we get started, these are the tools you're going to need. 2 ratchets, a 19 and 14 for the axle, a 9/16 or 14 for your brake adjustment, 10 mils for your chain adjustment, and this is a number 5 for your fork guards. Some tire irons, some soap and water, and a bucket. I put my rim on top of here and I push the tire on. Helps me a little bit easier. But let's get started. The first thing I do, I loosen my chain adjusters. I have a double nut, so maybe not everybody has that, but I always double it up. Now we're going to tackle the front tire. Loosen the Allen keys for the fork guards. So guys, changing tires and tubes, man, this is not my favorite thing to do. I really hate it. I don't know all the tricks or whatever, but I get it done. What I do is I pump up a little bit of air in the tire, in the tube I mean, just a little bit. Stretch it out, release some air so it gets smaller, just to get the wrinkles out. So do it like this. Starting, tuck it in. Work my way around. This ain't the easiest job. I hate putting them on the rim. This way I find maybe you have less chance of pinching the tube if you pump air in it a little bit, because it stays more deeper inside the tire. So, see? It's nice. Still has a nice, still got the bead, everything's out of your way, so when you're prying, you shouldn't be able to pinch it. Okay, next step. So next step, soap and water, just soak it on her. I'm going to put some on the rim. Try to keep on working it a little bit. back side. Put a couple in different corners. Just work your way around. Once you get the first section in, now go back to your valve. Try to get your valve in there. Once you get it through, put your nut on, valve nut, so it doesn't fall out. Spray it again. I like to start near the valve, just so it kind of gets over top of that. Don't want to put them in too deep. Okay. Third one. Work around. Always check you're not pinching the tube. Just get your hand in there, just get on the edge. Keep on moving a little bit at a time. Okay, it's on. Check to see how you're level. Pump it up. I hope I didn't pinch the valve. Tighten up your bolt. Your nut, I mean. So far, so good. So let's get it on. Let's install this wheel. Make sure you put your spacer in. And your brake. Make sure your brake is in. Lift your chain. Put your chain over. Slide the wheel. Place, get your axle, turn on, turn the wheel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I have a lot to show on this channel. Just, working on bikes. Riding them, maybe have some videos on how to control a wheelie with back brake. Don't tighten it up too tight, and then set your. That looks like I could tighten it up a little bit more. So guys, that's about the play you want. Bigger dirt bikes, maybe more, but on my 50, I don't like when it slaps around. It starts kicking off the kickstand and stuff. So. This has enough play in it. Now to put the brake lever back on. keep on adjusting it, spin the wheel, you know, feel your back brake. That looks good. Time for the front wheel. Make sure you put your spacer. Almost there. Put this spacer on. Make sure your wheel space is good, because it moves a lot easier until you tighten it up. The forks actually move up and down. Time to put the fork guards on. Almost done. So 50 gang, let me tell you, I really hate putting on tires. It's like taking them off, putting them on. I'd rather tear the whole bike apart than do that. But, you know, instead of paying somebody else to do it, I know I can do it, it just pain the butt. So, but tell me your thoughts on how well I did the video on changing tires. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go out for a meet. We're doing some trails, a couple guys. So that's why I decided to put dirt tires on, because from now on I'm going to be riding dirt. I'm going to stay off the street for a while. But listen, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, put your notifications on, and give me a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. Your boy Cookser's out.